Well, we have good weather for walking a dog or whatever you might want to do outside. Beautiful day for you. We had the clouds this morning. Not anymore. We've got a lot of blue sky. A live look around town showing all that with our quad cam, I'm calling it. Sky cam on the bottom left. Morgan's Wonderland Camp at the top left. Calaveras Lake, San Antonio Airport on the right. Just a beautiful shot at all four of those. There's a close-up of the city. You can see downtown San Antonio. Saw a lot of sky cover earlier with the clouds. A lot of those clouds have dissipated. We're seeing some sunshine now and warmer temperatures, 75 degrees. South-southwest winds are at 7 miles per hour. The dew point was close to the air temperature this morning. When that happens, the humidity is higher. It's not that high now, 55%. This morning, though, we did have a lot more humidity, and that got squeezed out of the atmosphere in the form of some low clouds and fog. Temperatures are in the 70s and 80s. No, Junction is not 103. That's a thermometer malfunction. 77 in Kerrville is the temperature. 73 in Bernie. 80 for Pleasanton, Uvalde. 81 degrees. 79 in Del Rio. 84 Eagle Pass. That's the warm spot. And 79 for you in Gonzales. And we had a little bit of wind this morning. We had a little now in the hill country as usual. Wind gusts between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Everyone else about 5 to 15. So a very pleasant afternoon. On the radar, we are dry. Those are false radar echoes. No rain is falling there. We've got cloud-free, or at least rain-bearing cloud-free skies. Still got some clouds up there. Nothing making rain, though. High pressure is here. It's this big dome of high pressure over the west coast. It's kind of weakened a little bit. We're on the eastern side of it, but it's going to strengthen a bit more so and move overhead, and that means more stable weather for us, more temperatures above normal. Things do look to change, though, as we head into the weekend. That area of high pressure is keeping the jet stream to the north. That means all the storms stay to our north. But by the end of the weekend, that ridge of high pressure will start to break down. That'll make room for a dry cold front to come through, knocking our temperatures down by about 10 to 15 degrees and opening the door for the possibility for rainfall as we end March and begin the month of April. Not today, no rain. Futurecast starts you out at 6 this afternoon or this evening. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 80s and low 90s by the end of the afternoon. And we're really just going to do the same thing tomorrow. We'll start with clouds in the morning, some patchy fog possible, temperatures in the 60s. And then by the end of the afternoon, it's all sunshine and highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. Very summer-like weather pattern we're in. Even though the beginning of spring is here, we're warmer than that. So again, on Thursday, clouds in the morning, sun in the afternoon, and high temperatures in the upper 80s and the lower 90s. For today, we've got the cloud cover taking a hike, and the sunshine is out. 75 now, 87. The forecast high by the end of the day. Might not hit that. We'll aim for it, though. Maybe 84, 85 is the way it's looking for now, but we got the sun out. Mostly clear to start tonight. More clouds coming in late. Temperatures dropping into the low to mid 70s by the mid-evening hours. And the 14-day forecast showing nothing but dry weather through the weekend. There's that cool down from the upper 80s and low 90s this week to upper 70s Saturday and low 80s on Sunday. Rain chances return for the last day of March and the first couple of days of April. And right now, Easter is looking dry with a high in the mid 80s.